are building a welding car. Woo! Woo! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Look. Oh, is that Matt?
Yeah.
It is. There's Matt Rice. Matt Rice's car, anyway. Well, guys, we was coming out here to JJ's arm drop. And it's raining, of course, just like last time we come to drag strip.
That's a hustling horsepower truck right here, ain't it? Yep. That's him right there. He got the old shit out here, though.
Yep, hustling horsepower. They said they canceled it today. They're gonna try it again tomorrow. There's JJ the boss's trailer.
That's JJ the boss's trailer?
Yeah, that one and that one. Alright, journey back home. It's raining outside. It's supposed to rain all weekend, so we're going to work on turning this thing into a welding cart. This old toolbox I found in the trash. Somebody threw it away. One of these drawers is broke. That one. It's junk pretty much. So instead of throwing it away, we're going to repurpose and try to make a welding cart. So the plan is to take some bed rails and weld it to this thing and make something. So we're gonna make room back here for the tanks. Put 2 tanks because eventually I want to get a TIG welder. So we have the MIG and the TIG. So yeah. As we get started, what are we gonna do?
Well, we're gonna do what you just told the people.
These cheesy little wheels. Are they messed up? We can reuse those.
Yeah, it's just bent.
Oh, it's bent.
Yeah, something.
This part or the wheel?
I'm not sure. Something right here is bent.
Oh, it's the wheel. Look at it. Look at them bearings right there. About to pop out. We're gonna need a new set of wheels.
You got wheels.
Got some other wheels. So we take him out. We go with this.
With locks on it. It's gonna work. These are cheesy too. We're gonna take some cheesy wheels off, put some cheesy ones on. Update.
People update. What we got going
So
on?
this is what we got going on. 4 foot. We got 4 foot on these. We just go on the corners. That's the start. Like we're gonna build a box with a box and turn it into a box.
Yeah.
Welding box.
So we're gonna make those a little tall and put some hooks on it where we can hang our leads on it. And if it don't look right, then we can always chop them off later. Or add to them, or whatever we want to do. So yeah, we need to cut, what, 4 of these? And then start a frame. We gotta do some stuff.
We need 2 more long ones.
That's what she said. How's that thing?
Still good.
I ain't keeping you busy enough. You smoking.
Yeah, smoking a lot.
I'm slacking. We're gonna have to pick up the pace. You have to put that out. Time to work. Got your glasses off and you're grinding with a cutoff wheel.
Safety first.
Alright, we got most of the stuff cut that we need to build most of it. There's a couple little pieces we're gonna have to measure when we get it put together. Because some of this stuff is bent in different sizes. It is what it is. It's not gonna be pretty, it's functional.
Put me with the grinder, ain't nothing the same size. It's gonna be awful look. It goes on a different side. I got grinder breath. Grinder mouth breath.
Yeah, your nose is black.
Yeah.
Black boogers.
Like a working machine shop or something.
Working Ed's Fab Shop, boy.
Let's be building a drag truck.
It's raining.
I'm building a dig on
Workhorse.
workhorse. Yeah, you're right.
And it's raining like crazy. That's why we're doing this. We could open the garage door though. Let somebody smoke it. Instead of breathing it off. It'd be a smart thing to do. The whole bottom of your nose is black. The whole thing.
Damn.
You just snorted all the grinder dust.
It's caked up.
You ain't gonna breathe tomorrow.
Yeah, I can't, whoa, I can't even blow my nose.
Alright, people update. Let the people know what we're doing now. What we got?
You got some kind of welding card.
Okay. That thing's heavy as hell is what it is.
You ain't gonna steal it.
That sap sucker's heavy now.
Yeah, it's heavy.
So this is kind of what we got. Back here we're gonna put a floor in down there. Then separate this. Get some more bars here. Make 2 different sides for 2 different tanks.
We got arches for the tank to sit in.
Then ready, put some kind of chain or something to hold them tanks in there. But right now we're gonna try to figure out how to get these wheels on here. So we gotta flip this thing back over.
Measuring that.
Yeah, We just been slapping this thing together. It's not pretty.
That's the other way.
Oh, it's a heavy duty welding part. Weld that to that and that to that.
Have this baby rolling on some plastic wheels. All on that head.
You're gonna hold on this weight. These things, you're gonna have to get new wheels sooner than we think.
I got some too.
Some good steel wheels.
Yeah, should we just get them?
Are they all turning?
They all turn.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go get the other wheels. We're gonna get some more wheels for this more wheels. We got 8 here and we're gonna go get 4 more.
Oh, what a deal. That was a good deal.
Got us some wheels. Yeah, some coffee. You been thinking about that coffee all day. Alright, here's the wheels. These are like more heavy duty. And they got grease fittings in them. Oh yeah. They all swivel, they all metal. Hey, it's Fab Shop, boy.
Rolling around.
Where we need? Need it over here? Need it over here?
Yeah, that's the way
Now we need it. Yeah, that's nice. You're doing a hell of a job. Alright guys, so we dug out some metal here, put in there, and then I think we're going to cut this to fit across there to kind of support that metal some. Zip bottles are kind of heavy. Once we get 2 in there, yeah, it might help.
You ain't got no saw horses, do you?
Yeah, they up
They
there.
all over here when you digging on.
Yeah, fit right in there.
Snug as a bug.
Now we just gotta weld that brace in and tack that in a few places. We ain't even gotta weld that, just a few
Yeah.
tacks. There we go. Grinding with a cut-off wheel. Mr.
Look, I pulled that down like some glasses or something.
Mr. Safety himself.
Safety first. look at it.
I
got a big ass hole,
You
man.
melted a hole in it.
That thing's a lot different.
So now we just gotta figure out this gate mechanism. I don't know if I told the people we switching this up. We're not gonna make a little separator in it. We're just gonna make this hinge on there somehow. So you want to switch? You want? You got the people looking at them over here working like crazy. You ain't even showing all this.
Cause I'm watching you like, what the hell you about to do? That's what
You got the people staring at some junk over here.
Well, shit.
There we go. Then when I get a TIG welder, it go on this side. Then we can put our helmets and gloves and stuff in there. A glove, a helmet. Brushes and shit. We got all kinds of shit to put in there. Don't need that, probably.
We need to find this a new destination too. Why couldn't it be with the wheel and stuff?
Okay. That's it. One day we're gonna have to push this up into a car trailer so we can take it racing.
Well, it's gonna be alright. The way it is. Shit gonna jiggle around a little bit, you're gonna panic, and we're gonna get in the car too.
It's gonna jiggle a little bit, you gonna panic. Same shit. There's our welding cart. Alright, Ed's Fab Shop welding cart. It's not all the way done yet. Gotta put some handles on here to hold the leads, both sides. Probably get rid of this welder, get a TIG welder. It's pretty sturdy though. Just wheel it where you want to. You trying to wrap the leads up?
I'm chasing you.
Oh, slip. Alright guys, there's our welder cart. It's definitely not pretty, but it's functional. Function over beauty. But I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya.